Welcome to the wonderful world of mini gardens. Let's transform those flower beds into vibrant, thriving ecosystems. Please like, share, and subscribe to become part of our family. Imagine a tapestry of colors, textures, and scents, all while attracting beneficial insects and supporting local wildlife. These miniature havens offer a wealth of benefits, not just for our own enjoyment, but for the environment too. Traditional flower beds often rely on a limited variety of plants, but mini gardens embrace diversity. This diversity attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, crucial for a healthy ecosystem. Plus, the dense planting helps suppress weeds naturally, reducing the need for herbicides. And let's not forget the joy of stepping out your door into a miniature paradise. First, we need a plan. What do you want from your mini garden? A haven for pollinators? A source of fresh herbs? Or perhaps a riot of color to brighten your day? Consider your available space too. Even a small patch can be transformed into a charming mini garden. Next, assess the sunlight and soil conditions. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others prefer shade. Understanding your soil type will help you choose the right plants for your mini garden. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what grows well in your particular microclimate. Now comes the exciting part, designing your mini garden. Think about different themes, like a cottage garden bursting with blooms, or a productive food forest with layers of edible plants. Choose a variety of plants with different heights, textures, and colors to create a visually appealing and biodiverse space. When selecting plants, opt for native species whenever possible. They are well suited to the local climate and provide essential food and shelter for native wildlife. Incorporate companion planting, where certain plants benefit each other when grown together, like marigolds, deterring pests from tomatoes. Section 4. Bringing your mini garden to life. It's time to get your hands dirty. Start by removing any existing plants from your chosen area. Enrich the soil with organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to provide essential nutrients for your new plants. Then, carefully plant your chosen species, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Watering is crucial, especially during the establishment phase. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Consider installing a water barrel to collect rainwater, a sustainable way to keep your mini garden hydrated. Add a layer of mulch around your plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil structure. Section 5. Sustainable care and community engagement. Once your mini garden is established, it requires minimal maintenance. Regular weeding will help keep unwanted plants at bay. Prune back overgrown plants to maintain their shape and encourage bushier growth. If pests become a problem, try natural solutions like companion planting or introducing beneficial insects. Why not involve your community? Share your passion for mini gardens with neighbors, friends, and local schools. Encourage them to create their own miniature havens, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility for the environment. Together we can transform our neighborhoods into vibrant, biodiverse spaces, one mini garden at a time.